if you've been thinking to start trading the financial markets, this could be stocks, or maybe forex trading, or maybe indices, or maybe commodities, and you do not know exactly how to get started, this video is for you. Even if you already started actually to trade the forex or any kind of financial market, but maybe things are not going well, it's probably because you did not start the right way. So this video is also for you. Now here's the thing, if you're to start anything and you do not start it right, trust me, the chances of succeeding at that particular thing are always very minimal. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step beginner's guide on exactly how to start trading the financial markets, that even if I was to actually start today again, I would be using this same step-by-step guide. But remember that if you happen to get some value from this video, please do like the video, subscribe, and also maybe share it with a friend that you feel might be able to benefit from this information. Now, of course, for you to start anything in life, you must have an interest in it. If you do not have an interest in that particular thing, definitely you're not going to have a smooth journey through the learning process. And with the financial markets, to be very specific, the forex trading market, you must have an interest in it. I mean, you must have a very strong reason as to why you're going to actually start trading the financial market. This might be maybe you trying to better your life, or maybe you basically trying to be able to actually support maybe your family members, maybe your mother, your father, your siblings. I don't know what exactly your reason might be, but this is one of those that actually can definitely change your life and those around you. With that mentioned, do not think this is an easy thing. This is not a get rich quick scheme. I know so many people online, especially on social media, you see people maybe on YouTube or TikTok, you know, displaying this flashy kind of lifestyle. I mean, they have this, they have that, and you think that's how it's gonna be. It's always not like this. This is a long-term game. I mean, you must put in the work if you would like to actually become successful at forex trading. So this is actually going to take you some time for you to master it and for you to get the skill set very well. This might take you between maybe 3 months if you're a very fast learner, up to about maybe 2 years or even more, depending on how fast you actually learn this. So once you have this in mind, then the thing that I suppose, or that I suggest you actually start learning, is the forex jargon. And there is no better way to actually learn this than actually watching YouTube videos, or maybe even heading over to Google and visiting babypips.com. I mean, this is one of the greatest websites that can enable you actually start learning the forex jargon. On there, they do have a course that will basically take you from A up to maybe about X, but it does not really take you through the whole thing, because the best way to learn is actually by you practicing. You need to keep practicing. You need to keep practicing. So I would suggest you actually watch some YouTube videos for maybe about 2 weeks for you to mentally immerse yourself into this forex trading industry. Now, once you've gotten your jargon very well and basically you've started doing some practice, then the thing you need to do next is get yourself a mentor. Now, the reason why this is very important, it's simply because you should be able to have someone that actually holds you accountable, or someone that can actually hold you by the hand and they take you on this journey. You should not get just anyone, but someone that can prove to you that they are actually profitable at whatever they are doing. If it's the forex market, they should be able to actually show you some results on basically how they trade, you know, the kinds of practices that they go through, and then this will enable you to do exactly what they do. So if you get yourself a very good mentor, they will definitely change your game when it comes to forex trading. I mean, the other reason you actually need a mentor, imagine this mentor that you've gotten, it maybe took them 2 years or 3 years to learn whatever they know today. So for you, you'll actually be learning this in way less than the time they actually learned the same skill set. So this is one of the main reasons you should actually get yourself a mentor. Now, in your practice that we earlier spoke about, as you practice, the best way to practice is, in my suggestion, you should be able to actually use TradingView as your practicing trading platform, because it's very simple to navigate, and also if you're to actually do your analysis, this is hands down the best platform to actually do this on. So all you need to do is, maybe if you're using your phone or maybe a computer, this could be a Windows or maybe a Mac, all you need to do is download this trading platform, and then you'll be able to actually get started practicing as a forex trader. Now, as you practice, they definitely give you some fake virtual money to actually practice with, so the barrier to entry is really very low. So all you need to do is maybe get the platform, start practicing, and then once you feel that you've practiced enough and you're ready for the live markets, this is when you actually go ahead, select a broker of your choice. Now, the broker, my recommended broker, I'll be leaving them down in the description for you to check them out and sign up with them. So definitely this is a very long journey that you have to prepare and brace yourself for, because it's not an easy thing to do. I mean, imagine yourself maybe going to a university for you to learn maybe to become maybe a civil engineer or maybe a doctor. Name any trade that you might decide to actually take on as a profession. You have to take or spend some time actually learning that particular trade. So definitely you don't come into this thinking maybe in 2 weeks or maybe in a month I'll be done with this. It's not like that, because as I earlier told you, this can be a life-changing opportunity. So you have to give it time for you to learn every single day. I mean, you must put in the work for you to be able to get the results. So I'm sure by now you know exactly how to get started with forex trading, or basically you getting started with the financial markets. So I'm sure this video has helped you in some way, and in case you found some value from this video, please do leave a like on it, subscribe, and also share it with one of your friends, 1 or 2 of your friends, because you never know how life-changing this might be to them. Now, for more forex trading related content, check out this video right here.